I hope the others are not out celebrating and they realize it's not important at the time. But we always need God's blessings and guidance. And we hope they'll be back soon. So this evening is an evening of celebration in many ways. One, that we are here. Two, that we perform our devotion. And three, there's a change in our country, a badly needed change. There's no doubt about it. The feeling is different. In my opinion, I'm just giving my views there. I'm not reading Ramayana yet. I'm just telling how I feel. Okay? And I'm sure I'm echoing the sentiments of a number of you. So, let us proceed as we always do, invocation prayer. I am going to recite a few verses from Ram Raj, when Bhagwan Sri Ram was coronated. The kind of ambient, the kind of environment, the kind of celebration, the kind of feeling, the energy, all of those things put together, but we can't go into all of that. It was a wonderful feeling. Why? Because the rightful heir to the throne was now on the throne, and he who deserved it more than anybody else, Sri Ram, is now the king. So, bearing this in mind, focus upon the comely form of Bhagwan Sri Ram. There he is with Bhaya Lakshman, Divine Mother Sita. And Om Tat Sat, Hey Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Shri Sita Ram. We join in prayer. Om Varnanamartra Sanghanam Rasanam Chandasamapi Mangalanam Chakartaro Vande Vani Vinayako Bhavani Shankaro Vande Shraddha Viswasa Rupino Yabhyang Vinana Pashyanti Siddha Swanthastamishwaram Om Ajnanam Timiranghasya Jnanayang Shalakaya Chakshulang Militang Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Achinta Rupa Charite Devi Sarva Shatru Vinashini Rupam Dehi Jayang Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Jahi Neelam Bhuja Shamaliko Malangam Sita Samaro Pitabam Bhagam Pano Maha Sayakacharu Chapam Namami Ramam Raghuvansanatham Manojavang Marutatulya Vegam Jitendriyang Buddhim Vatam Varishtam Vatatmajang Vanarayotya Mukhyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadhye Om Shri Sita Ramachandraye Namaha. Simple Kirtanam. Ramachandra Ghubira. O Lord, you are the jewel of the Raghu race. You are the jewel of my life. You are the victorious one, the ultimate destination of each soul. You are life's friend, the best friend. You are the ocean of kindness, O Lord. You are the supreme master. Accept this prayer of ours and continue to bless us. Ramachandra Raghubira Ramachandra Ranadhira Ramachandra Raghubira रघुबीरा रामचंद्र रणधीरा रामचंद्र रघुरामा रामचंद्र परधामा रामचंद्र रघुरामा रामचंद्र रघुरामा रामचंद्र रघुनाथा रामचंद्र परनाथा रामचंद्र रघुनाथा रामचंद्र परनामा रामचंद्र रघुबीरा रामचंद्र रणधीरा रामचंद्र रघुबीरा रामचंद्र रणधीरा रामचंद्र रणधीरा रामचंद्र रघुबीरा प्रेम से बोले श्री प्रभु रामचंद्र की जय। राम राज वर्णन तुलसी रामायण उत्तरकांड। Devotees, great celebration, great merriment. For he who deserved the throne, he who was loved by all, is now the occupant of that throne. So many things happened. We just explain one or two. ज्ञान गिरा गोतीतय च माया गुण गोपार हो रामा माया गुण गोपार सच सच्चिदानंद ये घनकर कर नर चरित उदार सिया पति रामचंद्र की जय शरणम। प्रातः काल सरयू करी प्रातः काल सरयू करी मार्जन बैठे सभा संग द्विज सजन वेद पुराण भक्ति बखानी वेद पुराण वशिष्ठ बखानी सुनी राम ये जरूरत सब जानी भरत शत्रुघ्न तोन भाई सहित पवन सुत यो पवन जाहि जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम राम जय जय राम बोझहि बैठे राम गुण गाहा कह हनुमान सम्मति गाहा जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम राम जय जय सुनती विमल गुण यति सुख पावहि बहुरी 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 करे बिनय कहावहि बिनय कहावहि जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम राम जय जय राम सबके गृह गृह होने पुकारा रामचरित पावन विधि नाना जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय नर यरो नारी राम गुण गावहि हो राम गुण गावहि नर यरो नारी राम नर हरो नारी राम गुण गावहि हा राम गुण गावहि करहि दिवस सने याद ये जानहि Jai Rama Shri Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Hey Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama. अवधपुरी बासिन्ह कर सुख संपदा समाज, अवधपुरी बासिन्ह कर सुख संपदा समाज, सहस शेष नहीं कही सकही, सहस शेष नहीं कही सकही, जहन पर राम विराज सिया पति रामचंद्र की जय शरणम। बोले श्री प्रभु रामचंद्र की। Devotees, briefly what happened. Bhagwan Sri Ram had a wonderful schedule. We all pay attention. So he awakes Brahmahut. We all know that. When he awakens, there's Sarju River nearby. He has his bath. And he doesn't do it by himself. He does it with his brothers Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughna. And so after bath, devotees, after their morning devotions, then what would they do? Prahata Kal early said, Snan kar, Brahmano ko aur Sajano ko saath बैठते हैं. He would sit with the holy ones. और वेद पुराण की कथा कहते हैं. They would listen to the scriptures, the various incidents in the scriptures for inspiration, for motivation and information, whatever you want. And devotees, राम जी के सुनते ही यद्यपि वे सब कुछ जानते हैं. He knows everything, but he's setting the example for you and I to follow. और भाइयों के साथ, together with his brothers, bhojan karte he would have meals together. They would eat together. Ram and his brothers. And devotees, Mata Sukma, mother, very happy to see her sons living in unity, eating together, praying together, and whatever else. Bharat Shatrughan, dono bhai Hanumanji ke saath, when they were finished, Bharat and Shatrughan go to Hanumanji. And then he knew the whole history because they were not in the forest with Sri Ram. And they would ask him, wahan baith Sri Ram ke gunon ko katha puchte hai. They would ask him, oh Hanumanji, you were there. Tell us what transpired in the forest. Tell us everything. And we know you know because you are Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. And Hanumanji didn't wait for a second invitation. He immediately started. What he said? रामचरित सुने कानारे मनुआ, रामचरित सुने काना, रामचरित सुने काना रे मनुआ, रामचरित सुने काना. सनंदन सनत कुमारा, नारद यही बखाना, यही चरित्र गिरिजापति भाषो, गुप्त सो प्रकट सो जाना, रामचरित सुने काना. Now this is a long bhajan. I got it from Pitaji. I'll just sing a verse or two again. यही चरित्र विभीषण गायो, बैर बंधु से थाना, लंका तज भज सीतापति, मिले राम से आना, रामचरित सुने काना। यही चरित्र शिवरी गायो, आगम प्रभु का जाना, प्रेम सहित वाके फल खाए, पहुँचा ये निज धामा, रामचरित सुने काना। तुलसीदास धन्य वह साधु, गावे वेद पुराना, तुलसीदास धन्य वह साधु, गावे वेद पुराना, रामचरित सुने काना। ओ रामचरित सुने काना रे मनुआ, रामचरित सुने काना। ओ रामचरित सुने काना, हे रामचरित सुने काना, हो रामचरित सुने काना। ओम आदौ राम तपोवनादिगमनं, हत्वामृं कांचनं वैदेही हरणं जटायुं मरणं सुग्रीव संभाषणं, बाली निर्दनं समुद्रतनं लंकापुरी दाहनं, पश्चात् रावण कुंभकं करं हिरं इतधि Sri Ramayanam. Sri Ram devotees, they listened to what I said and much more. And Hanuman would say it in such a way. We know he Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. And these brothers were listening, totally enraptured. And we all know that's one of the practices and one of the signs of a devotee of God. An insatiable appetite to listen to the glories of Sri Ram. And so Hanumanji did as best as he could. And so devotees, this was the way they went on. Listening and praying and practicing and bathing and eating and listening to the glories of Bhagwan. Unbelievable devotees. This was the morning schedule. And this brought great happiness to the heart of the mother. And that to me is most important. And if you go listen to Katha, you feel good. But when you listen and mother sees that, it makes her happy. When mother is happy, everything works out well. So I just want to share one or two quick point, devotees. How do you spend your day? We all have different ways. Different ways. It mightn't be the best way, but it is a way. Sri Ram believed in the importance of prayer, started it with prayer. Started it with God. You get it right. You do it right. The day will be a meaningful day. And even if you have challenges, and we will have challenges, every day is not the same. Hot nek saman, sabdin hot nek saman. Remember that wonderful bhajan? Hotan ek samanu sabdina, hotan ek saman, hotan ek saman. Katha itself brings out the point. Devoted at a time, who was there in Ayodhya to listen to the glories of Sri Ram? It was doom and gloom, like when the light goes from a home. When the energy goes, what is there? Life without Sri Ram is darkness. All that negative. But here now, the bhajan is saying just what is happening in the Katha. There was a time when he wasn't there, and now the time is there where he is. And so there's a lot of gaiety, festivity, merriment, and so on. But the bhajan is saying, today in this home, there's a procession. It's a marriage procession, getting married. And the next day, meaning another time, there's another procession, it's a funeral procession. And devotee, they are singing, yes, but different kinds of songs. No dancing and clapping and so on. And so, this is how life is. Today, you're here, tomorrow you're gone. Therefore, while you have the time and the opportunity to live a good life, I am not saying anything new to anybody. When I'm finished, I'll give you the words of Shankaracharya, which I have written down, and I've treasured them in a piece of paper. I could give it to you afterwards to devotees. Those are gems. Just what Sri Ram is doing, just what Tulsidas wrote, just what we always hear. What any guru will say, devotee, these are the words he put in a very simple way. I'll tell you in a while. So here now, Bhagwan Sri Ram started the day with his brother, family together. Prayer, bath, you name it, company of the gurus, company of the holy ones. How do you start your day? You have to decide that. Devotees, and we all know each of these is a serious point that can be taken to great lengths, but I will just say he started daily with prayer with his family and devotees, Guruji, and scriptures. And so mother was very happy. Which mother will not be happy to see her children living in this kind of way? So it goes on. There are many things devoted in the time of Sri Ram. Nobody was ugly, nobody was foolish, everybody was well off, everybody had intelligence, everybody was listening to the scriptures, everybody performed spiritual practices, and so the whole place was Ram Raj, that rule of the Sri Ram, where everything went well. We want to bring back that, and we hope it will come. I can't say. We are hoping. We're hoping it will come. We hope. So devotees, and we have to ensure it happens. If not, well, we'll go back to dark days again. And we don't want to go back to those days. We know how it was, how it is. We know how it was. So now, let me just share those words with you all. Because I could go on and on. Everybody's pretty, everybody's wealthy, everybody's rich, everybody was spiritual, everybody, you name it, everything was just up to mark, up to mark. So devotees, Pitaji put it in this way, and I took this when he gave a speech. I have the date somewhere. He says, Sitaram, dear listeners, well, you are, hear words of wisdom from our scriptures that I share with you. Now, I quoted him. If you have to go to a place of devotion. Go to satsang. If you have to come to worship, puja, pray. If you have to take good advice. Good advice is always good. If you have to seek blessings. If you have to ask for guidance. If you have to run, which is a good one, run from bad company. And you'll keep fit. If you have to run from bad company. It'll keep you fit. If you have to weigh your words. Weigh your words. I'm quoting him. If you have to speak that which is beautiful, sincere, and truthful. If you have to wear, and I love this one, if you have to wear, and we all wear clothes, if you have to wear with a garment of kindness, the garment of kindness. If you have to fight for righteousness. Fight for righteousness. If you have to drink, don't get worried, don't worry, don't your ears get hot. If you have to drink from the glories of the scriptures. Drink from the glories of the scriptures. Pile piala humatwala. Ram Nam. If you have to praise, don't praise me. I don't want no praise. Even when I'm dead. If you have to praise, praise Sri Ram. Those are his words, and I fully agree with it. I fully agree with it. I don't know about you. And if you want to get it, no problem. Bolo Shri Prabhu Ramachandra ki. Then devotees, this is what I'm going to share with you. And then we'll sing a bhajan and move on. Every occupation has what you call a code of ethics. Teaching profession, there's a code of ethics. Legal profession, a code of ethics. Whether you follow it or not, I'm not talking about that. But everything has a code of ethics. Even politics has a code of ethics. Whether you follow it or not, you have to decide that. So, what in Hinduism is the code of ethics? They are called Yam and Niyam. And we need to know that. So I'm reinforcing that. I'm not saying anything. Yam and Niyam. The code of ethics in Hinduism. First of all, we have the Yam. It is being non-violent in thoughts, words, and actions. Non-stealing or covetousness. Disciplined desire. Relinquish lust and greed. Restrain arrogance and anger. No untruths, breaking of promises and confidence. Forsake wrongdoing and shun evil company. It comes all along again. Shun evil company. We go to the Niyam. These are called restraints and observances. Restraints and observances. What is Niyam? Be pure like Sita in mind, body, and speech. Be pure. I could only say it, we all have to strive for that. We all have to strive for it. Love your fellow human being. Contentment and serenity in life is the best means or measure of prosperity. Do devotions daily. Do devotions daily. Worship and meditation daily. And that shouldn't be hard because we eat every day, hopefully. We bathe every day, unless we live in a country where there's lack of water and lack of food. Stay strong. You know when? In hardship and misery. Don't crack up like cricks. Hardship will come to you, me, everybody. Everybody experience hardship and misery. Some point, sometime. It doesn't stay. It doesn't stay. It comes and goes. But stay strong in hardship and misery. And very importantly, be forbearing with people. I have faults, you have faults, we have to tolerate each other. So we have to be forbearing with people like Mother Earth. I learned that lesson from Dharti Ma. I learned the lesson of forbearance from Mother Earth. Well, we're still doing this one. Be charitable. Be charitable and give without desire for reward. Big one. Study the scriptures regularly. We gave our devotee the Bhagavad Gita sometime in the past. We're not praising ourselves. I hope you find the time to read English at least. And when you start, you'll realize how much power there is in that. A lot of power. Study the scriptures regularly. Perform penance and sacrifice. Perform penance and sacrifice. Just last night I was watching a little thing on YouTube where when you do eat for 12 hours, what happened to the body? 24 hours, 36 hours. It's unbelievable. And we eating for soup. We really eat, and me too, all of us eat. But there are times you could control that palate, control the tongue. So, perform penance and sacrifice, observe vows. Observe, Mahatma Gandhi never spoke on a Monday. Anyone was good with that? He never spoke on a Monday. Bapuji. It's like when he one shot on a Monday, he'd have to say Ram. But he never spoke on a Monday. So these are the yam and the niyam, the code of ethics of Hinduism. And devotees, I highly commend that to each and every one. And you know, many of us like little sayings and so on, putting in the fridge door and put it in the wall and whatever. We need to get this and also put it and always read it and remind ourselves of it. Each morning, that's what we need to do. I'm telling you, because it's so easy. Talk cheap, you know. I'm talking very cheap to you know. Do so is different. I'm saying so is different from doing so. Well said and well done is two different things, you know. Anybody could talk nice, even me. I hope. But doing the right things, doing the nice things, well done is better than well said. That's why they say talk is cheap. Speech is silver. If you want gold, silence is golden. Silence is golden, and the price of gold going up every day. 4,000 US now ounce. 4,000 US ounce. So my mother, your mother, grandparents, they all knew what they was doing. They would save gold, buy gold, keep land. They knew what they were doing. All right. So having said that, so I told you what Pitaji said, what Sri Ram used to do. I told you yam and niyam, and now I'm going to sing the bhajan, and then we move on towards conclusion. Jaya Jaya Yavadha Bihari Sita Ram Sita Ram Sita Ram Sita Ram Sita Ram Sita Ram Sita अवधपुरी में जन्म लिया है, मातु पिता को अमर किया है। दशरथ यचर बिहारी सीता राम सीता राम सीता वन में जाए तारका मारी, गौतम नारी का अहल्या तारी। विश्वामित्र यज्ञ रखवारी सीता राम सीता राम सीता मिथिलापुर जाकर धनुष को तोड़ा, राजा जनक से संशय मोरा। परशुराम दहारी सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम। अवध राज को त्याग दिया है, वन में जाकर चरित किए हैं। सुर नर मुनि मन हरि सीता राम सीता राम सीता। शबरी के मीठे फल खाए, भालु को कंठ लगाए। भक्तन के हेत ये कारी सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम। रावण को बैकुंठ पठाए, भक्त विभीषण के भूप बनाए। सीता के दुख ये हरी सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम सीता। तुम्हारी, दया करो हे अवध बिहारी, दया करो हे अवध बिहारी। When I say सेवक है यह शरण तुम्हारी, we are all your children. We bless you with the gift of life. And we seek your blessing, guidance, help and protection, hey our Bihari. As you protected so many and you help so many, help us also, O Lord. We bow to you. सेवक 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 है शरण तुम्हारी, दया करो हे अवध बिहारी, दया करो हे अवध बिहारी, कृपा करो हे अवध बिहारी, क्षमा करो हे अवध बिहारी, क्षमा करो हे अवध बिहारी। कौशल्या कौशल्या हितकारी, राम सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम सीता। जय जय अवध बिहारी, हा जय 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 अवध बिहारी, सीता राम 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 सीता राम। प्रेम से बोले श्री सीता रामचंद्र की। So devotees, we have spent a little while in love, in prayer, in devotion, and listening to a bit of the words of knowledge and inspiration from Bhagwan Sri Ram Ramraj Varnan of Tulsikrit. I hope having come, your evening has been well spent. And devotees, there are many takeaways, but it depends on what you want, what appeals to you. And so, bear in mind, let's start with the family. What Sri Ram did, he showed the importance of the family. And I will end with this little incident. Devotees, our Guruji once asked his godchildren, what is the most beautiful thing on this earth? Now, people have different answers and they are right in their own way based upon their experience and their knowledge and their socialization. But what is the most beautiful thing? Devotees, to cut the whole incident short, the answer was family. There is nothing more beautiful than family. Now, family has a wide connotation. If I am the only son for my parents and they have died, what family I'm talking about? So you have to understand it. Scriptures are very, very meaningful. So you have the group you belong to, they could be your family. You have the environment in which you live, the people that could be your family. You have a club that you join, that could be your family. So you take it in whatever level you want it. But everybody, man is a gregarious animal. We need a flock. We need company. We can't live by ourselves. None of us. Nobody is a Lone Ranger. Even Lone Ranger had a tonto. We all have that. So devotees, we need company. But what kind of company? And Tulsidas mentioned in the beginning, satsang, company of the good, the pious, the noble, who will elevate your thinking, who will give you good insight, who will make you better than otherwise. They won't drag you down. Devotee, who will lift you up. But we all know a man is nobody company he keeps. So, bear these few words in mind. The greatest gift and the greatest beauty is family. And devotees, make Om Shakti your family also. You know, they say a family away from a home from away from home, a family beside what your those, your brother and sisters and so on. We need everyone, but how we live is so important. And Tulsidas puts it beautifully. If someday mother, father goes, friend, etc., Satyam Mata Pita Jnanam. Truth is my mother, knowledge is my father. And if you don't know who's your wife too, Shanti Patni. Shanti Patni. So I ain't seen anybody named Shanti or anything like that. You understand what we're saying? Peace. Peace is the cry throughout the world. All over the world they're crying for peace. There are many children can't sleep, they don't have food. Bomb all over. You name it. And somebody trying to choke fire by India there. I ain't going to talk more about that. They don't know what they're playing with, what they're asking for. You have to be aware what's happening in this world, you know. It's serious, serious business. We could talk about the scriptures and what the scripture says is correct. And it gives us good insight. And devotees, they have gone through all of that already. That war and all of these kind of animosity takes you nowhere. No. Hate hurts the hater more than the hated. So who you hate? You need to go and do some cleansing, internal cleansing. And Lord Krishna spoke about that at length in the Bhagavad Gita. Sri Ram would speak about that. Everywhere you turn, mother, father, guru, friend, everybody saying, boy, stop it, boy, be nice, think good, whatever have you. Who is listening? Who listens will see the benefit of it. Who don't, well, you may appear to be good, but you have all kind of problem inside. It's happening, devotees. So, if anybody feel like talking about them, I stop it here. All I'm saying is, we know what should be done. You have the ability, you just have to have the will. Remember the three-sided flag, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Gyan Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Ichha Shakti, willpower, right knowledge, and right action. Plant it, you get the right result. What more you want? What more is there? So, I stop it there. May Bhagwan Sri Ram help us. May he bless us. May he bless our country. And I'm telling you, this is not in the Katha. This is one of the few times when I really feel like living in Trinidad. Before, man, getting a headache and backache and neckache and eye hurting you and your hand hurting you and all kind of nonsense. I'm not saying it's going to get better or get worse. I don't know. We hope it gets better. We hope it gets better. So devotees, those of you who did your duty on that day and did it for the right side, you are good. Blessings to you. If you didn't do it on the right side, you're still blessed. We're going to pray for you. What else can we do? We want everybody, all hands, I say all hands on deck. We want everybody to be here together to make this country, because I keep saying, I don't know if I ever told you all before, my mother and father, well, my Aja, whom I don't know, my Aji, who said I don't even know what picture looked like. They were not foolish people to leave India, to come here, you know. They could have go Guyana, they could have go Jamaica, they could have Mauritius, Maldives, they could have go so many places. They came to Trinidad and Tobago. Why? They were far-seeing, visionary. They were blessed. Somebody sneeze? Well, no problem. They were blessed people. Blessed people. And that's why we always should, remember them and perform Pitra Puja, a little bit of food, a little havan. That's not so difficult. And many of you do it. And I commend you for doing that. Because we could never repay them the gratitude in one life, what they have done. What they have done for us in one life, in 7 lives we can't repay them. 7 lives. That's what they say, the sages say. So we are blessed to live in this blessed land. And devotees, if you don't see it blessed, wait on time. But it is a blessed place. Like all countries, undoubtedly, Dharti Mata is there. Where the river flows is Gangama. But it's the people who have to make it so. And now we have made a very important decision. And devotees, let us stick together, work together, and just as you make Trinidad proud, make a temple proud, make your life proud, mother and father too. Bole Shri Sita Ramachandra Ki. So, at this point, devotees, we shall proceed to Aarti. Sab koi khara ho jaye, and announcement and so will be made afterwards. Please all stand.
आरती श्री रामायण जी की, आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति करी नित्य सियति की, आरती श्री रामायण गावत
ॐ मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुध्वजं मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलाय तनोहरि उमावाहनं न जानामि विसर्जनं पूजां चैव न जानामि क्षम्यतां परमेश्वर त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धो च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शांति। बोले श्री सीतारामचंद्र की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, आदि शक्ति जगदम्बिका माता की जय, उदय सा जगन्नाथ की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। बोले श्री गुरु महाराज की जय। सत्य सनातन धर्म की शुभमस्तु, कल्याणमस्तु। आपको धन्यवाद, सत्य आशीर्वाद। आप लोग बैठ जाएंगे। पाहिमाम त्राहिमाम। Devotees, next week service will be one with a difference. Next week will be our Mother's Day service. So we are speaking to the men, Ronald and Leishi. You will have to lead us. So you have today until next week to plan, to talk to whoever you want, and whatever contribution and whatever gift, we always give our mother something very special. Whether it's a pencil, a rose, a pen, a flower, whatever it is. It depends on the cost of it. So next week, please come. And I know I've experienced this problem before. Somebody may say, you know what, I lost my mother, so I'm not coming. Somebody will say, well, you know what, I don't have a child yet, so I'm not coming. And somebody say, my child don't treat me good, so I'm not coming. We're not interested in that. You are a mother. Mother who gave birth and mother who looks after children, you are still a mother in our estimation. And you're most welcome. You'll be most loved and appreciated and cherished. So next week, Thursday, do come along and prepare a program of poems. You have a lot of talented young children. Let them say a poem or poetry or poems. Let them sing relevant songs. And if they want to put on a skit, a play, that also is quite in order. Make it a compact, interesting program for all of us. Set the tempo, set the pace, so when Father's Day comes, they will know what they have to do. Okay, so over to our chairperson, Ms. Chandika.
Panibaram, devotees, Sitaram.
Sitaram.
I just want to make mention of Seema, who sponsored the Persat for us tonight very willingly. I usually put on a chat weekly, give the opportunity to those who would want to. Of course, it's your blessing at the end of the day. Every time that you help us. So to Seema, blessings to you. Is she here? Seema, sorry. Yes, Natasha. Is Natasha here? Hi, Natasha.